Taptic Data is a business intelligence platform that connects to your Shopify store and other data sources, letting you query your data using plain English and build reports and alerts. In this video, we'll walk through signing up, connecting a Shopify store, and the core features of the platform. Taptic Data offers two straightforward plans, standard at $59.99 per month and professional at $119.99 per month. Standard includes one user seat, 5 GB of storage, unlimited AI queries, dashboards and reports, scheduled email delivery, and external connectors. Professional expands to 5 user seats, 25 GB of storage, faster data refresh intervals, and priority support. Enterprise plans are also available for larger teams with custom storage, dedicated infrastructure, and custom connectors. All plans start with a free trial, no commitment required. To start your free trial, simply press the Sign Up button on the top right of the page. From here, choose the plan that best fits your needs, standard for individuals and small teams, professional for growing teams, or enterprise for larger organizations with custom requirements. Next, enter your company legal name and choose a one-word internal name for your workspace. This is used to securely partition your data. Then fill in your name and email address for the primary account holder. If you have teammates to add, you can invite them right from the screen or add them later from inside the platform. Finally, review and agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, service level agreement, and data processing addendum. Once submitted, you'll receive a welcome email with a link to set your password and complete your first login. From there, you'll land directly inside Taptic Data and be ready to start connecting your data sources. Upon first login, new users are greeted with a guided onboarding tour that walks through the AI console, showing how to write a prompt, generate SQL, view results, and build a chart. It also provides written guidance on connecting your own data sources, setting up scheduled email delivery, and other key platform features to help users get the most out of Taptic Data from day one. At the core of Taptic Data is our proprietary AI engine. Simply describe the data you want in plain English, and our schema-aware AI generates precise SQL against your actual tables and columns. No guessing, no hallucinations, just accurate queries built from your real data structure, returned in seconds. Once your SQL is generated, you can execute it directly from the console with a single click. Results are immediately displayed in a clean, readable table, ready to export or analyze. From there, turn your results into a chart with just one click, choosing from a wide variety of chart types. Charts can then be staged to your canvas, where they can be arranged and combined with other queries to build a complete, polished report. Once your charts are staged, you'll land on the canvas, your report-building workspace. Here, you can freely drag and arrange your charts into any layout you want, resizing and reordering until the structure feels right. You can toggle between portrait and landscape orientation depending on how the report will be shared. When you're happy with the layout, simply save the report and it becomes a permanent part of your workspace. Accessible anytime from the Lists and Reports page, where further customization is available. Once a report is saved, you can open it anytime from the Lists and Reports page. Inside the report viewer, you have full control over the look and feel. Customize chart colors, fonts, titles, borders, and legends to match your brand or preference. You can also set up a scheduled email subscription directly from the report, choosing your delivery cadence, daily, weekly, or monthly. Each delivery includes a freshly refreshed snapshot of your latest data, so your team always stays up to date without ever having to log in. Taptic Data connects directly to your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Navigate to the Get Data page, select Shopify, and you'll be guided through a simple OAuth authorization flow. Once approved, your Shopify tables, including products, orders, customers, and inventory, are automatically imported and appear in your sidebar, ready to query. Your data refreshes automatically on your plan's scheduled interval, so your reports and alerts are always working with the latest information from your store. Taptic Data also includes built-in eCommerce alerts, so you're always on top of what matters most in your store. Navigate to the Alerts page, choose a metric, set your condition and threshold, and enter your email address. Alerts evaluate automatically every time your data refreshes, so whether inventory drops below a critical level or sales spike unexpectedly, you'll be notified the moment it happens. All saved charts can have their SQL edited at any time directly from the report viewer. Every edit is automatically tracked, giving you a full version history with the ability to view changes between versions and revert to any previous state. If you need help understanding a query, the built-in AI helper can explain the SQL in plain English or automatically rewrite and optimize it for you, making it easy for any skill level to manage and maintain their data. For power users, Taptic Data includes Smart Query, a full professional SQL editor with everything you need to write and manage complex queries. Smart Query features a multi-tab workspace so you can have multiple queries open simultaneously, with the ability to run partial selections independently. The same schema-aware AI is available here to generate SQL from a natural language prompt, explain errors in plain English, or rewrite and optimize existing queries. Results can be instantly turned into a saved view directly from the editor, making Smart Query the go-to workspace for analysts and developers who want full control over their data. That covers the core features of Taptic Data. From connecting your Shopify store and querying your data in plain English, to building polished reports, scheduling automated delivery, and staying on top of your business with real-time alerts, Taptic Data is built to give every merchant and analyst instant access to the insights that matter. Thank you for reviewing our application, and we look forward to being part of the Shopify App Store.